한국말로도 환영이라 적혀있는 그래서 똥이 보인다.
ค่ะค่าใช้จ่ายจะเป็นท่านละ100 บาทค่ะในการเข้าไปเรียนรู้
이게 다 코끼리 똥으로 만든 종이에요. 냄새나나 한번 맡아봐야겠네. 아무 냄새 안 나는데? 여기 입장 시간이 따로 정해져 있어서 맞춰서 오는 게 좋을 것 같아요. 한 20분 남아서 그냥 주위를 둘러보고 있습니다. 오, 장화로 개를 만들어놨네. 똥을 얇게 펴서 색깔이 핀 다음에 말리는 건가 봐요. 중간중간에 코끼리 똥을 널브러뜨려 놨네요.
Welcome to Elephant Poo Poo Paper. My name is Pete. Alright, I'm gonna be a guide tour, not too long. Maybe show you around inside, where's where, how to make a paper, and let you try to make a paper. Let's go. Come on in.
Let's go, let's go.
We come from China, and we come from
South Korea.
South Korean, and we come from
South Korea
also from South Korean. Yes. Is elephant in China?
in the zoo
Yeah, in the zoo. Yeah, maybe. Korean. Do we have elephant?
In the zoo.
Also in the zoo, right? Alright, okay, welcome to Thailand then. Yeah, Thailand we have elephant. And now we just want to turn the poo to make a paper. Alright, here. Two hand. Good. Smell it. Smell.
오 냄새 안 나. 엄마 말랐어.
See? There's some smell. It's just grass. Elephant eat grass, right? Elephant eat grass, elephant eat leaf. But when it go down, they not break down. What go in, come out like that. They eat grass, they poop out grass, they eat leaf, they poop leaf. That's why there's no smell when you dry. It's not coconut. You wanna hold it?
가벼운데?
People from Korean, let me tell you right now. The paper we make today is gonna be the same as hanji.
말똥도 있고 코끼리 똥도 있고 소똥도 있고 다 똥이네.
So many. Find the thing that we can find. We have so all this tree can make a paper. Can all make a paper. I want to make a paper from horse or cow. The one you get the poo. At least wash them for around 5 times. You see, first night and second night to make them soft. Make the poo soft with water a little bit. The poo gonna get soft, but it's not clean yet. Still a rock and dust and dirt. Clean them again and again and again. Get rid of like rock, sand, pebbles, stone. We need only the fiber in here. Make it soft. Make it clean. Kill the bacteria. And it's done. You get a tea. Yes, a tea. There's no smell at all. Yep. Yes.
냄새 없구나.
If the sun is good, like right now, maybe about 6 hours. When you dry them, they're gonna be just grass. Yes, you can touch it.
그냥 잔디 같아.
You give this to your friend. They will have no idea it's a food. You give this to the horse. The horse gonna eat it.
어.
4 things to make a paper. A banana can make a paper too. So whatever plant it is, if you've got fiber, it's gonna make paper. The color is changed, so it's not good anymore. You recycle them again. It can be any kind of paper. Newspaper, magazine paper, toilet paper. Don't like, no, don't do that. It's color. It's a food color. So that means you can also eat my paper. Everything inside the water, very long time. Now in the back, front. Just go along like this again and again and again and again. When these tiny bits of fiber get in touch with the water, they start to like, they clump themselves. It feel like seaweed or something.
휴지 물에 적신 느낌인데?
When you squeeze it dry and then you tear them apart, you
만두다.
see it's just paper. Don't eat it. Okay.
나는 밑에.
Next part is shaking. Make sure it's go everywhere inside the paper. Don't let them go out, okay? Keep them inside. Make it go everywhere. That's gonna get smoother and flatter.
천천히 올리고.
So we got the paper. The next step is to let them dry. Okay, take it out like this. The sun is on our head. That's quite good. You think it's good?
Yes, mine is better than you.
Okay. Use your thumb, push from behind. Wait. Wait. Okay, good. Make sure the top is out. Yeah, slowly. Yeah, do it alone. It's a little bit difficult. That's good. All right.
뒤에는 부드럽고
Yeah. And
앞엔
you get-
까칠까칠해.
it's an example though. Like a box here. Got a box. Got a fan. Got an envelope. Big journal. Small journal. Wallet. Oh, it's something. Make
이니셜도
first,
딱
pay
준비되어
later.
있네.
Or if you don't have much time.
루지 하나에 150바트. 베트남 달랏에서 루지 한번 타보고 여기서는 처음이네요. 땡기면 브레이크, 밀면 가고. 오, 시원하네요. 브레이크는 없다. 가자. 오, 빠르다. 오, 롤러코스터 참 빠른데요? 가고 있어. 이거 왜 안 가? 이거 다음에는 와이어에 달린 자전거 타러 갈 거예요.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, ready?
오유, 빨리. 오유, 왜 안 가노? 안 가. 여기 멈췄어. 안 굴러가. 나 중간에 멈췄어. 오. 이게 생각보다 무섭네. 오, 밑에 계곡이 보여. 오, 왔다 갔다 거린다.
Okay.
오, 쿵카.
Where you come from?
I'm from Korea.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. Very big size, 라.
Small.
Small size.
small you small very small
이렇게 뭐 손으로 만드시는데? 사와디카. 손으로 저 스카프를 만드는 것 같아. 스물여섯 개. 오늘 또 자동차 문제가 생겼어요. 이거의 정체는 뭐지? 수증기가 계속 나오는데? 이거 먹어라. 맛없나? 맛이 없나? 태국은 친절한 사람이 많네. 세워놓으니까 도와주러 왔어요. 온도가 올려가지고 또 샀어요. 와. 도와주신 군인 덕분에 여기 정비소까지 무사히 왔어요. 일단 맡겨놓고 가야겠다.